Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your DREAME Aqua10 roller take pictures of your pets. If you'd like to have pictures of your pets taken so you can later save them, you can simply click on three dots in top right corner. Then go to Pet Care and enable Pet Recognition. Now go to Pet Moments and you can enable Capture Pet Pictures. That will save your pet pictures as GIFs, which you can later see, which is, I think, pretty good. You can later go into the Pet Moments and see the files. So that is about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.